There they are. Those white dots. The Keck Observatory, the highest observatory in the world. And I was there by accident. I had to sleep near there by accident yesterday. But then now, 5-star hotel, yeah. In style, people, in style. Look at that. Oh, sorry, the mess. Back from Germany, it's all wet. I have to wash all that stuff. Where's the lights? Let's see, bathroom, mirror. And then you wake up looking at the ocean and the mountain and the volcano. Huh? Look at that. I woke up looking at Pele. Morning, Pele. Singing a song this morning. Look at that. Beautiful. I wonder when she'll wake up again. It's active, by the way. Have a great day from Hilo. Aloha.